In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change your date of birth on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon. Then click the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, select settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and tap on report a problem. Now choose account and profile, then editing profile, and finally tap on other. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a question that says, "Is your problem resolved?" Tap No and then select Need More Help. At this point, it's important to understand that TikTok doesn't currently allow users to change their birthday manually through the app. So instead, we need to contact TikTok support to request the update. In the help form, choose Account and then select I want to update my birthday. You'll see a message saying if you believe the date of birth you entered is incorrect, please submit your request using this form. Click the link provided to access the form. Now, you'll need to fill in your details. Under Topic, select Change Account Information, and for the category, choose Other. Enter the email address linked to your TikTok account, and if you haven't, include your TikTok username. In the Additional Details section, write a short message like, "Hi, I accidentally entered the wrong date of birth when creating my account. Please update it to your correct birth date." Below that, you'll see an option to upload documents. This is where you can attach a photo of your passport or driver's license to confirm your age. Finally, check the confirmation boxes at the bottom and hit submit. After that, all you have to do is wait. TikTok's support team usually responds within a couple of days and they'll help you update the age on your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.